times are coming back and forth. We went like revolving doors, ain't got nothing on us. I'm just being honest. We were both the problem.
Happy birthday, Kimwell! Sana lumaki ka na isang maayos at mabuting bata, maging matulungin at maging mabuting anak sa mga magulang. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti. I love you.
Hi, Kimwell! Happy birthday! You know I love you and wish ni teacher para sa'yo is all the best. Be good. Always lang si teacher yung naka-guide para sa'yo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kimwell. Continue to be kind and industrious kid. And also, I wish you all the best and I wish that all your dreams will come true. That's all. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kimel, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and I wish that all your dream comes true. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Kimwell! It's been 7 years and naalala ko, andun pa ako sa birth mo and I'm so happy that you grew up happy and smart and healthy. Happy birthday, Kimwell!
Hi, Kimwell! Happy 7th birthday. Ang wish ni Mami is maging good boy ka lang. And then, alam mo naman, love na love ka ni Mami at ni Papa. Magpakabait ka at mag-aral ng mabuti. I love you!
Hello, Kimwell. Happy birthday. Ang wish na ni Papa is maging mabait ka kahit malayo si Papa. Nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. Happy birthday once again. I love you.
Birthday boy, close your eyes and make a wish. Ayan, close your eyes, anak. Make a wish. Ayan, sana po. Ang wish ko po. Then, go in and 1, 2, 3, and go!